What is up, guys? Market just closed. It's February 27th. So yeah, let's go and look at some charts here. Here's VXRT, the daily run. We had this breakout of, let's go to the hourly actually. Breakout of 182 followed by a gap up. We're going to zoom in, see where the gap up, and then pretty much big, huge dip all the way back down to support. If you would have bought that support, you could have sold here for about a 50% gain, so that's pretty good. So this pretty much how I'd be buying, either buying into the close or buying a dip. Very sold dip, getting pretty close to that 30 on the RSI on 5-minute chart. The one I held overnight was MRNA. I was buying here last night in the $28 range, and then I almost sold when we got to this double bottom here. Let me show you guys. So we did pretty much a double bottom here. If we dipped below that, I was going to sell. We ended up bouncing off of that and then I sold somewhere in, let's see, 2-minute chart. Sold here in the morning. Ended up being a perfect place to sell as we continued pretty much throughout the day. Pretty much kept going down. So made some good profit on that one. CODX, another one. These are all coronavirus stocks. They're going, anything related to coronavirus going crazy right now. This is another one, gap up pretty hard in the morning, followed by pretty big dip. And if you would have bought this big dip here, you could have made, again, almost a 45% profit if you're still holding right now. Let's see, APT, let's go and check this out. APT is really good. Big gap up again today. These are the APT are the ones that have been making the mask for the coronavirus. But you could have bought this and you could have bought the dip, or pretty much just held it and you'd be up right now. So some pretty good gains. You're about the dip 60%. So the one that I was really looking at today, I think I had the best pattern pretty much playing throughout the day, is IBIO. So this one was, all day just was in an equilibrium pattern. We had the huge gap up, the 89 to 89. Then we came down, established this low. I mean, these are the patterns I really like, these equilibrium patterns all day, and then you get the breakout. Then we came establish a lower high, 84. Then we established a higher low at 66. Then another lower high, 83. Another lower high, higher low at 70, and then we came up and broke out at the end of the day. So you could have either bought one of these dips or waited for the breakout end of the day. I kind of like to prefer buy these dips towards the end of the day, but it's gapped out. After markets, we're at about 90 cents, so this thing is going pretty good. I'm expecting this thing to gap up tomorrow. A lot of shorts have been in this, so a lot of shorts have kind of been buying back to cover. Also, there was a meeting coming out next week, so if a lot of people are going to be buying it to participation of the meeting. Good news coming out, maybe they'll get fundings, things like that. So it's kind of what I'm looking at today, and the stocks to be looking at tomorrow. But I hope you guys are having a good trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.